Hi, it's Kiki with the Greek Vegan. Thanks for tuning in today. We're going to go over my Trader Joe's Greek Vegan haul, which I think I am probably one of the only 5 people left in the world that don't know that Trader Joe's has some great Greek vegan options. So I'm gonna just put it out there and say I didn't know until today. I've only gone there for flowers, but I'm going back there again, I believe. I'm gonna taste test these on air with you, so we'll see. But I am excited. So I'm going to start with the baked giant beans. They all come with the pull-off lids, which I love. And these are product of Greece. The ingredients sound fantastic, and I am very excited to try them. So I'm going to do that right now. I pulled them right out of the can and popped them in the microwave. I'm sorry. And hold on, before I get this all over myself. They're really nice. They are not as good as the recipe on the Greek Vegan, I will tell you that, but they are really not bad. The beans are well cooked. The sauce is nice. It's not too sweet. I can definitely taste the herbs and the spices. I would like a little more sauce with it. As you can see, it's a little light on the sauce to dip my bread in, but overall, I would say that's excellent. I would drizzle that with olive oil myself, just to get that nice olive oil flavor, because actually the really kind of downside of these for me is that all of them are made with soy oil and not olive oil, which, you know, I'm a Greek vegan gal. I like my olive oil. So I'm just gonna have one more of these really quickly. Definitely good. Okay, the baked giant beans, a plus. They do use, I have to talk with my mouth full. They do use cannellini beans, but they're really nice. An authentic recipe, of course, would use the gigantes, the giant beans, but excellent, very good. So definitely an A on these. The next one is it's called Greek eggplant and Greek style eggplant. I've never had this style of Greek eggplant. I've never had this style of eggplant. Not to say it doesn't exist and it's not out there, but a little suspect because this is a product of Bulgaria. I'm not gonna go any further than that, but that is, this is not as authentic. So, okay, but we're gonna give it a try because it says Greek style eggplant and I'm a sucker for eggplant, so let's go. Excuse me. It actually is fried first and then put in a tomato sauce. So, it came out of the can really well. It didn't fall apart all over the place. Excuse me, there goes my display. And it actually, okay, it's holding together really well, which is hard for fried eggplant, but let's see. It's tasty. It's definitely tasty. I taste that little bit of breading. I do taste that, which is nice. I miss the olive oil flavor. It has this is the one that was surprising in the ingredients because it had, was it curry or cumin? It was curry, okay. Curry powder, which I thought was a little strange. My photographer there, he's gonna get to eat the rest of these because it's a little too high carb for me today, but excellent, very nice quality. I like it. I like the sauce, again, not too sweet. They do have sugar in them, both of these tomato sauces, but not a lot. It's very minimal, so I do like that a lot. Oh, another thing to mention is each of these cans says it provides 2 servings, but I have to say, easily I could finish off either one of these I could finish off both of them with no problem at one sitting. So, but these I think are really great take for lunch options now that I'm thinking about it. I like it a lot. So the third one are the stuffed grape leaves, the Dolmas. And they say they're vine leaves, so I'm not sure, but I'm assuming they are grape leaves. What sold me on these ahead of even trying them is that they are spiced, they're seasoned with both dill and mint, which I always do. I do that anytime I use spinach or anytime I use vine leaves, always in our family, we always mix the mint and the dill, whether it's spanakorizo or spanakopita or the Dolmas, which are also on the Greek Vegan. So again, if you want to make any of these, they are on the GreekVegan.com, so feel free. Very simple recipes. If you are going to be super lazy like me today, want to take it out of a can, go for it. So this is another product of Greece, and I have to say, when I took it out of the can, I wasn't super impressed by the way they stayed together. I'll just show, I don't know if I can show. So I don't want to handle them too much because they're very delicate. They're very, very delicate. I didn't even pull on that and it broke apart. That's not to say that they're not going to taste good. They don't have pine nuts. I do like pine nuts in my grape leaves. And they don't have lemon on them, but I'm going to try them and see how it goes. Nice. Nice consistency of the rice. It's not complete mush. The leaves are very tender, I have to say. I would, again, as with actually all of these, I would drizzle them with olive oil, really nice, good olive oil. I'd drizzle them with olive oil, and I would probably sprinkle a lemon on this. I like lemon on mine. But overall, the color is good on the leaves as well. It took, actually, they brightened up after I heated them. I took them right out of the can, not so great to look at. But once they got a little heat on them, I think they definitely improved. I'm not a huge fan of the soy oil, which I really can taste. But otherwise, very nice quality. And I'm gonna eat this one too. Sorry, you can't have, I'm gonna eat it with a fork though, so I'd be delicate. So, these three, I have to say, I would recommend all of them. That's the Dolmas, the stuffed grape leaves, the baked giant beans, the Yigendes plaki, and this Greek-style eggplant, which very possibly could just be Bulgarian, but still good, all of them. All vegan, all very nutritious, and I have 2 other products that I picked up today. I had a great time at Trader Joe's, I have to say. I picked up a ton of good stuff. So on the Greek Vegan, we make a breadstick. It's a Christinia, and they are they're a sesame coated breadstick. Very simple. But what a quick hack that I've told people about is to use a good quality organic pizza dough or bread dough that's in your grocers. And I found this today, which I've never seen before. It's an organic pizza dough, but it is a garlic and herb pizza dough. Fantastic. So you can see it right here. This has actually been out on the counter for about a half an hour. I need to get it back into the fridge because it's actually starting to rise. So what you just would do with this is, just like the recipe on the Greek Vegan, you just pull off balls of dough, roll them out into a snake, put them on your baking sheet, let them rise for 15 minutes, half an hour, then pop them in the oven. You have the most amazing homemade breadsticks, and I think this is going to turn out some really good ones. One other thing, and this I'm a little scared to try. I love okra pretty much in all forms. This is they're called crispy, yeah, well, Dimitri's already tried these, so he's kind of shaking his head back there. Crispy, crunchy okra. Okay, so they're already open. They smell kind of odd. Yeah, they smell kind of odd. I'm gonna just ignore that. Aren't they cute though? Look at that, it's actually a crispy, crunchy okra. It's a dried okra. So let's see how crispy they are. Oh, well, it's definitely an actual okra. They're little seeds. Okay, let's try it. He was right. They're terrible. I'm not putting down the product. I say A+ for effort in however these were made. Great, really cute. Will they be my snacking choice? No. So, I would say 4 wins, 1 fail. I think that's pretty good. Trader Joe's, thank you very much for providing some great options. I think this is absolutely 2 thumbs up for these 4. That one, no. I'm going to give the rest of the snacks to my photographer. Please, if you like this video, hit the like button, and please do subscribe if you haven't already down below, and hit that bell so you can get the notifications the next time we have a video coming up. Next one should be in a few days, and we're doing a Cedars, it's a local brand here, of their Greek vegan takeout stuff. Chickpea salad, there's a lentil salad, there's some excellent grape leaves, again, as well, so another option for that. So hope to see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.